Hello everybody, this is Scott here with Scott's Mad Science and More, and today is the 4th of July, and as such I'm following with the great American tradition of fire and boomy things. However, I'm not doing the boomy things because YouTube's safety policies are quite annoying, but I can still do the fiery thing, so here I have 50 grams of red iron oxide thermite, that is iron 4 oxide. Memory serves. Alright, so well, here's the plan. Yeah, I had this old microwave, scientific sacrificial microwave, that I am now going to be putting thermite in and microwaving. So, let's see how it goes. So, here's the thermite that I had. I just mixed it up just a few minutes ago. I'm going to put it in here. The reason I'm putting it, I think it should get a reaction because it is metallic base. It's iron and aluminum. I'm not disclosing the ratios for safety reasons. By the way, this is incredibly dangerous stuff. It burns over 3800 C, hotter than the melting point of iron. Ready? That was disappointing. Alright, time for another minute. Well, as it turns out, that isn't going to work. So, I'm going to go get a chunk of metal. And then put this in the microwave with the thermite. This is nice rusty iron. Alright, there it is. There's this nice big chunk of steel in the microwave. Well, that wasn't working with the chunk of metal in it, so I put in some aluminum foil. Let's see how this works. I think the thermite went off, and I might have a microwave that's on fire. Oh boy, that was cool. Well, let's see what the damage is. This used to be covered in plastic, now it's melted. This is bare mesh. Now let's look at the inside of the microwave. Blackened. Smells like a mixture of burnt PCB, burnt circuit boards, and thermite. You know, you can see the sheer how vigorous the reaction was. It just went off all at once and just, yeah, blackened the whole interior. It charred. Anyway, thanks for watching. This has been Scott here with Scott's Mad Science and More, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Happy 4th.